Fallen leaves can be beautiful at first, but soon you'll have to clean them up. The leaf and lawn bag holder helps you clear your yard of leaves with its unique design. Lightweight, durable, and made of reusable corrugated plastic, the leaf and lawn bag holder is easy to assemble with 3 snaps on each side. Once put together, just slide it into the bag and lay it flat on the ground. Raking the leaves into the BigMouth tray is quick and easy. The leaf and lawn bag holder keeps the bag open so you don't have to. Once the mouth is full, just stand up the leaf and lawn bag holder and let the leaves fall into the bag, and compress to save on leaf bags. You can do the job with half the effort and in half the time.